Assalamu alaikum, my dear students of class 6. I am Shafil Alam Setu. I am the senior teacher of mathematics, Milestone School and College. In the last class, I showed you exercise 3.1 and I solved different maths from that exercise. I think you understand very well. Now, today I am going to discuss chapter 3 integers exercise 3.2. At first I will discuss some rules, then we will solve the math. So let's start today's class. At the end of this chapter, you will be able to do addition of integers, using number line, do addition of integers without using number line, find the sum of positive and negative integers. So let's start. Multiplication rules of plus and minus sign. This is new for you and for algebra. Like if we multiply plus by plus, the result will be plus. If we multiply plus with minus, the result will be minus. If we multiply minus with plus, the result will be again minus. And if we multiply minus and minus, the result will be plus. So my dear students, we will start from addition of integers. That is, read the following sentences and fill in the blank boxes with integers. Number A, going 6 stairs up from the ground floor equals to plus 6. And if we think the ground floor is the middle point or midpoint or main point, so if we going up, that would be plus, and if we going down, that would be minus. So going 5 stairs down from the ground floor, as I am saying, ground floor going down, that would be minus 5, and going up 7 stairs, that would be plus 7. And if we make the sum of these two and apply the plus and minus sign rule, then we get minus 5 and plus, that would be plus 7. So from plus 7 and minus 5, if we apply the multiplication rule of plus and minus, that would be plus minus, that would be minus. So we have to do subtraction in here. So from 7, if we subtract 5, we will get 2. And the sign will be the bigger number sign. In here you can see 7 is the bigger number and 7 number sign is plus. So the answer will be plus 2. You have to remember this very well, that the answer, the sign will be bigger number sign. See number, going 4 stairs down from the ground floor, that means minus 4. Going 2 stairs up from the ground floor, and then from there going up another 3 stairs. That means going 2 stairs up, that is plus 2, and going 3 stairs, another 3 stairs up, that is plus 3. And if we make the sum of them, that is plus 2 and plus 3 equals to plus 5. Going 4 stairs down from the ground floor, and then going down from there another 2 stairs. That means minus 4 and minus 2. If we make the sum of them, that is minus 4 plus and minus, that would be minus 2. And we know the multiplication rule, minus and minus, that would be plus. So we will make sum addition 4 and 2, that is 4 plus 2, that is 6. And the sign will be the bigger number sign. In here the bigger number is 4 and this number sign is minus. So the result will be minus 6. You can see the highlighted part also. Next, addition of integers with the help of a number line. As you can see, addition of 5 and 3 with the help of a number line. That is, 5 is positive in here and 3 is also positive in here. So first we draw a number line. On the number line, we first move 5 steps to the right, because we know if the number is positive, we have to go from 0 to the right side, and if the number is negative, we have to go from 0 to the left side. So 5 steps to the right from 0, reaching 5, and then we move 3 steps to the right of 5 and reach 8. Thus we get 5 plus 3 equals to 8. Suppose we wish to find the sum plus 5 and minus 3 on the number line. At first we have to move right side of 0 by 5 steps, because 5 is positive in here, and from 5 we have to move back 3 steps left, because 3 is negative. So we reach, if we go from 0 to 5, and if we come back from 5 minus 3, we will get 2, and the sign will be the bigger number sign. The bigger number in here is 5, and this number sign is plus. You can see the number line very well. So my dear students, example, we will solve first example. Example 1, find the sum of minus 9 plus 4 plus minus 6, and we will apply the rules. Solution: we can arrange the numbers so that the negative integers are grouped together. We have, and we will use in here the multiplication rules of this sign, plus and minus. So this is the math, and you can see the highlighted part, the sign plus minus. So minus 9 and plus, that would be plus 4, and plus and minus, that would be minus 6. And you can see minus 9 and minus 6 we make group in here. So minus and minus, that would be plus. So 9 and 6, that would be 15, and the sign will be the bigger number sign, 9. That means minus 15 plus 4, and plus and minus, that would be minus. So from 15, if we minus 4, we will get 11, and the sign will be the bigger number sign. The bigger number is 15 in here. The sign will be minus 11. That is the answer. Find the sum of minus 10, 92, 84 and minus 15. Solution: we can arrange the numbers so that the negative integers are grouped together. We have like this: minus 10 plus 92 plus 84 minus 15, and minus 10, and we can make the group of negative numbers. So minus 10 and plus and minus, that will be minus 15. We make a group in here. Plus 92 and plus 84, we make a group in here. So minus and minus, that would be plus, means 15 and 10. We will make addition, we get 25, and the sign will be the bigger number sign. Bigger number is 15 in here. The sign will be minus. Plus 92 plus 84 gets 176, and the sign will be the bigger number sign. 92 in here is bigger number, the sign is plus. So this third line, minus plus, that would be minus. So from 176, if we minus 25, we will get 151, and the sign will be positive because 176 is big in here. Exercise 3.2, use number line and add the following. So we will add the numbers using number line. Number A, positive 9 plus minus negative 6. So solution: first we draw the number line. At first we go 9 steps right from 0 because 9 is positive in here, and then we will go from 9 6 steps left because 6 is negative in here. So we reach in 3. You can see the figure 0 to 3. So the summation of plus 9 and minus 6, that would be plus 9 minus 6, and plus and minus, that would be minus. So from 9, if we subtract 6, we will get 3, and the sign will be the bigger number sign. In here the bigger number is 9, so the result will be plus 3. Next math, minus 1 plus minus 7. Solution. First we draw the number line. At first we go one step left from 0, that means minus 1. Then we go 7 steps left side from minus 1. Then we reach minus 8. You can see the figure total 0 to minus 8. So the summation of minus 1 plus minus 7, that would be minus 1 and minus 7. So minus and minus, that would be plus 7 and 1, that would be 8. And the sign will be bigger number sign. Bigger number in here is 7, and this number sign is minus. This is answer minus 8. Exercise 3.2, add without using number line. Just the previous slide we use number line for finding the summation. Now we will find the sum without using number line. 11 plus minus 7, and we know the multiplication rule of plus and minus sign. Plus and minus, that would be minus. So from 11, if any number left side there is no sign, that means we will think the sign will be plus. So from plus 11 and minus 7, that would be minus. From 11 minus 7, that would be 4, and the sign will be plus. Minus 13 plus plus 18, the same thing, multiplication rules of sign. Plus and plus, that would be plus. So from plus 18, if we minus 13, we will get plus 5, because the bigger number sign is plus. Minus 10 plus plus 19, minus 10 plus plus 19, that would be minus 10 plus 19, that would be 9. The bigger number sign is 19. Next question, number D, minus 1 plus minus 2 plus minus 3. We will use multiplication rules of plus minus sign. Minus 1 and plus minus, that would be minus 2, and plus minus, that would be minus 3. So in here minus 1 and minus 2, at first we will minus minus, that would be plus. So 2 1, that would be 3, and the sign will be bigger number sign. That means the bigger number is 2, the sign will be minus, and another minus 3 already we have. So minus 3 and minus 3, that would be minus minus, that would be plus. So 3 and 3, that would be 6, and the sign will be minus, because in here all the signs are minus. Minus 2 plus 8 plus minus 4. So minus 2, if we arrange the minus together, if we arrange the minus sign together, this line is happening, you can see. And minus 2 plus minus 4, that would be minus minus, that would be plus. So 4 and 2, that would be 6, and the sign will be bigger number sign. The bigger number is 4 in here, the sign is minus, and plus 8, and plus and minus, that would be minus. So that's why from 8, if we minus 6, we will get 2, and the sign will be bigger number sign, and in here the bigger number is 8, the sign is plus. So next math, exercise 3.2, add the following: 137 and minus 35, that means 137 plus minus 35, and the multiplication rules of plus and minus, that would be plus minus, that would be minus, and 137 is plus sign and 35 is minus sign. So from plus 137, if we minus 35, plus minus, that would be minus. So we will do the subtraction from 137 to 35, then we will get 102, and the sign will be the bigger number sign, and in here the bigger number sign is plus. Next math, minus 52 and 52. As you can see, minus 52 plus 52. So minus 52 plus 52. I can see plus and minus, that would be minus. Then you can see you have 52 and you lost 52. So what you have get? You will get 0. As you can see, number C, minus 31 plus 39 plus 19, the rules of multiplication of sign. Minus 31 plus 39 and plus, that would be 19. And in here minus 31 and this plus 39 and plus 19, that would be plus and plus, that would be plus. So 39 and 19, that would be 58, and the sign will be the bigger number sign, and the bigger number is 39, and the sign will be plus. So in here minus 31 and plus 58, so plus and minus, that would be minus. So we will subtract 58, we will subtract 31 from 58 and we will get 27, and the bigger number sign is 58, in here plus, so the result sign will be plus. Number D, in here you can see, so plus and minus sign, minus 50 plus and minus, that would be minus plus 300, and this minus 50 and minus 200, as you can see, minus and minus, that would be plus. So minus and minus, that would be plus. To 250 we will plus 250, and the sign will be the bigger number sign, and bigger number is 200, the sign is minus in here, so minus 250 plus 300, so plus and minus, that would be minus. So from 300, if we minus 250, we get 50, and the sign will be plus. Find the sum. The same rule, plus and minus rule. Minus 7 plus minus 9. So minus 7 plus minus 9, that would be minus 16. 9 minus minus, that would be plus. 9 7, that would be 16, and the sign will be the bigger number sign. Bigger number is 9 in here, the sign is minus. 4 and 16, that would be plus 20. From plus 20 and minus we will get 4, and then the sign will be bigger number sign. Next math, the same rule. Solution. So 37 plus and minus, that will be minus 2, plus and minus, that will be minus 65, plus and minus, that will be minus 8. You can see minus 2, minus 65, minus 8. We will, all the number will make sum. So 65 plus 8 plus 2, that will be 75, and the sign will be bigger number sign. The bigger number is 65 in here, the sign will be minus, so 75 will get the sign minus. So from minus 75 plus 37, so plus and minus, that will be minus 75, 37. If we subtract, we will get 38, and the sign will be minus because the bigger number sign is minus in here. This is our required value. My dear students, we solved all the maths in this exercise 2. We are trying to solve all the maths from exercise 3.2, that you will can get the help, that you will practice more and more, and this type of math is new for you, so you should understand this math very nicely, that you can solve. In here I have given my phone number. If you can't understand anything, you can call me. I can help you directly. So for then, I am Setu. So stay home, stay safe. Assalamu alaikum.